one petition filed by us seeking postponement, and there were at least 3 petitions and applications filed by others who were not seeking postponement. That was a very different kind of scenario. And Honorable Supreme Court started with this, that we have 2 conflicting petitions with us. So now what we have thought of is we are now suggesting a solution to this conflicting situation. We are saying that those students who are not in flood affected areas, who are not in containment zones, or who are not fearful of appearing in these exams, let them appear in these exams. But those who are absolutely restrained from appearing in these exams because of COVID-19 situations, you hold special exams after 2-3 months for those students. So there will be a balance. Those who are saying that there should not be any postponement, they will appear in the month of September. Those who won't be able to appear, they will be appearing after 2-3 months. The same scheme has been also implemented in the case of UGC exams, that final year exams would be conducted, but those students who won't be able to appear, they'll be appearing subsequently in a special exam. So today when I have written this letter to Honorable Prime Minister, and my purpose was only this, we can't leave the students just like that. Just because the Supreme Court dismissed the petition, we can't leave, because you know how distressed and how much depressed these students are right now. So I thought that we should also go ahead. We are elder to them, and we should try to hold their hand and try to show them some way out. So what I have suggested to Prime Minister today was that you do one thing. If you can't postpone the exams at all, then at least provide a provision for a special exam after normalcy is restored, so that those students who won't be able, they'll appear. What we are planning to do is this. We'll wait for 3 more days. We have written to Prime Minister office also and Education Minister's office also, to PS of Education Minister also. We'll wait for 3-4 days for the reply of these 2-3 authorities. And if they don't reply, then on Monday or Tuesday, we'll approach the Supreme Court again with an application in our disposed of matter, saying that you at least provide special exam to those students who won't be able to appear because of COVID-19 crisis.